This is the successor to the best-selling Android phone of 2023. It's the new Samsung Galaxy A15. And if the spec sheet is anything to go by, I actually think that this is going to be the best-selling phone in 2024. Now, inside the box, it's pretty basic. All you get is the phone, a Type-C to Type-C cable, and the SIM ejector tool, which will cost you 200,000 naira for the 4GB RAM, 128GB of storage variant. For the rest of this video, we're going to go into every aspect of this phone to find out if you should buy it. So make sure you watch till the end. My name is Udi. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. So first, let's start with the design. If you've seen one of Samsung phones, you've seen them all. They all have the same camera design and flat sides. It feels like I'm holding an iPhone, you know, that boxy feel. The rear is completely glossy plastic, so you're looking at a ton of fingerprint smudges. There is a wedge on the right side of the phone that props up the buttons. Speaking about buttons, the power button also doubles as the fingerprint scanner, which works very well. At the bottom, we get the mono speaker grill, Type-C port, primary microphone, and headphone jack. I would have really loved to see dual stereo speakers on here though. Now on the left side, we get the hybrid SIM card slot, which means that you can use two SIM cards at the same time or one SIM card and one memory card. Up front, we get a U-shaped notch, which I don't agree with. At this price point, it should be a hole punch cutout. The display itself is really nice. It's a 6.5-inch 1080p 90Hz Super AMOLED display with peak brightness of 800 nits. The display is very sharp and colors look nice. This is an AMOLED panel, so you get vibrant colors and the 90Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals. The display is a nice upgrade from the 60Hz LCD display on the Galaxy A14. Brightness is also good. You'll be able to use it outdoors. By the way, you should like the video so that more people will get to see this review, and also subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our future review videos. For software, we get Android 14 on One UI 6. Very clean software. I have not experienced any hiccups when using this phone. I also like how the quick panel settings look like. Now, one thing that is missing on here though is an inbuilt screen recorder. So if you want to record your screen, you're going to need a third-party app. One very cool thing with Samsung devices is the software updates. So with the Galaxy A15, you get 4 years of major software upgrades. At this price point, I don't think any other phone manufacturer is offering you this. So if you plan to use your phone for more than 2 years, I think Samsung is the way to go. The MediaTek Helio G99 is the processor running the show here, and my variant here has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The Helio G99 is designed for performance and smooth gaming experience. So performance is not an issue for the Galaxy A15. Everything is fast and snappy on here. Gaming is also a breeze. I'm not much of a gamer, but all the games I played on here all played smoothly on high settings. So I think gamers will enjoy using this one. Here are the Geekbench and the Antutu scores for those who would like to see them. The cameras on here are actually the same as the Galaxy A14 spec-wise. It's a 50 megapixel main sensor, 5 megapixel ultra-wide, 2 megapixel macro, and up front a 13 megapixel camera. Now both rear and front-facing cameras are capable of 1080p video at 30 fps. And now I'm going to show you some samples, both photos and videos taken on the Galaxy A15. So you let me know what you think of its quality in the comments below.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey guys, so this is what video looks like from the selfie camera of the Galaxy A15. I'm shooting in 1080p at 30 frames per second. So let me know what you think of the video quality and of course the audio quality. There is wind and cars and vehicles going on outside. So how does it look like and how does it sound like? Let me know what you think of its quality in the comments below. A 5000 mAh battery with 25 watts charging is what we get on the Galaxy A15. Very solid battery life on here. It can last you for a full day comfortably, and charging is also fast. Remember, it's 25 watts fast charging, which will be able to go from 0 to 100% in 1 hour. But sadly, you will have to buy the charger separately as there is no charger in the box. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A15 seems to be a promising successor to its best-selling predecessor. With the impressive specs and upgrades it provides, from the Super AMOLED display to software to performance and the gaming capabilities to the battery and the 25 watt fast charging, the Samsung Galaxy A15 presents a compelling option for those seeking a reliable and feature-rich smartphone. It's a solid phone, and honestly, I won't be surprised if it ends up being the best-selling Android phone again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. My name is Udi, this is Udishoots, and you'd see me in my next video. See you!